In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the process step by step using the current Pandadoc interface, so you can confidently invite new people to your workspace and assign the right level of access. Even if you're brand new to Pandadoc, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means. First, make sure you're logged into your Pandadoc account and you're looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. This is where you normally find sections like documents, templates, and other key areas of your account. Near the bottom of that left-hand navigation panel, look for the button labeled Invite Users. It can be easy to overlook because it sits below the main navigation items, so scroll down a bit if you don't see it right away. Once you spot it, go ahead and click Invite Users. This opens the invitation window where you'll add your new team member. In the invitation window, the first thing you'll need to enter is the person's email address. Type in the email that your team member actually uses for work, because this is where their invitation link will be sent. Make sure there are no typos here. If the email is incorrect, they won't receive the invite and won't be able to join your account. If you're inviting more than one person, you can repeat this process for each email, one at a time. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu for account role. This is an important setting because it controls what that person can do inside your Pandadoc workspace. You'll typically see three main options: admin, manager, and member. Choose admin if this person needs full control over the account. Admins can usually manage billing, change account-wide settings, and invite or remove other users. Choose manager if you want them to oversee documents and teams, but not have full administrative or billing control. This is a good choice for team leads or department heads. Choose member if the person only needs to create, edit, and send documents without managing others or changing global settings. This is ideal for most standard users. Once you've selected the appropriate role, simply click Send Invitation. Pandadoc will email your new team member with a link to join your account. After they accept the invite and log in, they'll appear in your user list with the role you assigned, and they'll be ready to start working in Pandadoc.